Now that we got the truck back from the frame shop, it's time to install the rear bumper back on the truck. Bought the new diff. It's in really good condition, only 3K miles on it, so it's practically new. And I got these mounts, which mine could be damaged or bent, so just in case I'll replace them with these good ones. You see how my brackets ripped the mounts off here and here. Alright, got the truck up on the lifts, and we're gonna go ahead and install the front transfer case, differential, axle carrier, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so we went ahead and installed the differential, put on the fenders, just test fitted them. Front end is all done basically with the radiators and the frame and the differential. All it needs is the headlights, bumper, and the grille and the paint. Went ahead and installed the headlight. Still needs the bolts, but the fender and the headlight, the fitment is really good. Needs a little bit of Bondo work right here. Still gonna paint the fenders different color to match the truck. Right here, it needs to be picked up a little bit, and the hood needs to go a little bit left. But so far it's looking good. Just finished up installing the fenders and the headlights, and look at that fitment, guys. The headlight to the fender looks good. The fender to the hood looks perfect. The door to the fender looks really good as well. Oh yeah. Check out that hood. Check out this side too. That fitment's perfect almost. Basically perfect. Just needs paint now. Door to the fender as well on this side. So far so good. Everything's looking really good. Let's go ahead and try the grill now. This is the new grill that I bought. It comes in matte as well, matte black. Still got to install some things on it, but it was an aftermarket. It was a lot cheaper than the original. So let's go ahead and put this thing together and go ahead and try to install it. Look at that fitment. Needs to be a little bit more down, but overall, look at that. Oh my goodness, looking really good. As you guys can see, go ahead and grab the bumper now, try to install it. I'm not gonna put these brackets on just yet, just because I'm gonna have to take everything apart anyways, and this side as well, but I am gonna put the bumper on just to see how everything fits before I go ahead and paint it. So let's go ahead and put the bumper on. Try to scan the computer, see if there's any codes, fault codes. I'm sure there is. Test if the four-wheel drive works, as well as the air suspension. Let's see if there's any fault codes, anything specific that we gotta fix, we gotta take a look at. Hopefully there's nothing serious. Okay, shows left rear wheel speed sensor circuit. Looks like it might be unplugged in the back somewhere, so I'm gonna have to check it out later on, but it doesn't seem like it's anything serious. Oh no, that looks hella nice too, like a little race car. I love this thing. Drives really nice. All it needs now is some paint. It'll be ready to go for alignment. Oh yeah.